Okay, guys, what's up? And welcome back to Inedible Gaming.
Shut up! No one cares!
Yeah, my friend is being really annoying.
Oh, come on! You're annoying.
Yeah, he's just being like a idiot.
No way! No one wants to hear you talk.
He's being even more annoying now. And I just have to live with it because he's an
You have
idiot.
to live with it.
Even he admits it.
Guys, everyone sucks.
Yeah, please subscribe to this video
No,
or Pennywise will come to your house and kill you.
Don't subscribe.
That's a little bit harsh.
My friend just said that was harsh. It's harsh but true.
We're doing legal stuff actually because like YouTube will not to be my house. So if you post this video, my friend, then
But we're not sleeping. We're not sleeping.
Yeah, we're sleeping together.
What? He's
really weird.
He's just being really weird.
Wait, I'm kidding. I'm that guy Kevin. No way. No way.
He's killing on that guy Kevin. He's killing on that guy Kevin.
Come here, George. No. No.
And that guy Kevin is suddenly called George. This is a mystery to be solved. Okay, I think.
Oh, green! Near!
Yeah. He's yelling his head off. He's probably got some sort of phobia against being quiet.
I do have a phobia against being quiet.
He has a phobia against being quiet, apparently. Apparently it's a very bad phobia, and if it like happens, he's like, bleh.
You'll never come to me. That's what. Communicate with me quickly. Okay.
There's a place where I got killed by an Egypt.
Quick, I'll open it. Go, go, go. You win? Yes, you win.
I have 5
no,
coins.
You did it.
No, I died. Don't worry.
Yeah, there's like a fight going on in another server, and like they keep.
Subscribe to Gollum Games with a Z at the end.
Yeah, subscribe to Gollum Games with a Z at the end.
Go in, go in.
Oh, come on!
Yeah.
Stupid bed.
Wait. Stand on the pressure plate. I'll heal him. Stand on the pressure plate. That's good. Yeah. Stand there.
You can't come near. He knows that we have to.
Okay, yeah, step away. No, why do you do that?
Oh, I tried speed bridge and it failed.
Okay, we did it. Heal.
Okay.
You go now.
Okay, I'm gonna join another game. We're gonna do one more back to Bedwars and I'm ending the video.
You suck!
My friend just said I suck, which I don't. He does.
No.
Okay,
I taught you Bedwars, not my fault.
he kind of taught me Bedwars. But anyway, I'm better than him. Kind of. When I say kind of, yeah. By the way, only 100% of my viewers have subscribed to my channel. So if you happen to have watched my videos and haven't subscribed, it's perfectly free and you can always change your mind. Stupid game, wake up.
Okay, do that.
Finally.
Wait, no.
Okay. The point of the game is not to get good at it. The point of the game is, I don't even know what the point of the game is. You're supposed to run at people and punch them on the head.
Let me in. Wait, close it. Oh, he's in.
My friends are having this battle on this thing in, I don't know, what was it? Housing. It's like a random game on thing.
Do / visit Juki77.
Yeah, do / visit Juki77. He wrote this really weird thingy on the chat. Don't read it, it's inappropriate.
I don't know.
It's inappropriate-ish. Depends who you are. My friend is being rude. His life is rude. Excuse... This guy said I'm rude. I can't believe him. Oh, this guy just stupid in the stupid void. In fact, that's it.
Where are you, Vespa?
I'm here. I was.
I'm getting attacked by this dude.
My bed just got flipping destroyed.
I'm in the
Oh, this guy's gonna.
I-
Are you kidding me? Okay, that's it. Bye, guys.